pick up this Mocha Steel Metallic Certified 2011 Chevrolet Malibu, available today. Featuring automatic transmission, it has 22,064 miles. This could be the one you've been searching for. Contact us and get behind the wheel today.